Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kirk Bridgeforth from New Spiritual Foundation. I'd just like to take this opportunity to talk to you about the philosophy of our program, which we derived that basically from a scientific argument, which is based on basic research versus applied research. And basic research is research in and of itself for itself, meaning you learn about a human cell, you learn the parts of a human cell, learn how the cell functions, and this is what you're tested on, this is what you study. We want to not only do that, but pose questions to our students as to, for example, we want to look at applied research, meaning that is chemotherapy better than holistic applications of medicine in relationships to cellular cancer? Meaning that you wanna ask them, well, which is better? Which would you prefer? If you were dying and you had a choice of chemotherapy or holistic research, which one would you choose? And we believe that this approach, this goal to not only get the student to research information with a mindset of, well, I'm going to tackle this critical question. You want to get them to think. You want to get them to make it personal to them, not just studying for studying's sake. So this is why we stress in our curriculum applied research. We want them to look at things, examine it, and ask them the question, would you prefer this? How do you feel about this particular aspect of science, of language arts? How do you feel about manifest destiny? How do you feel about it? Your personal opinion of it, not just what manifest destiny is or was. You want to talk about how do you feel about it? Was it okay? If you were in another person's particular situation, would you have done the same thing? And this is the critical analysis and thought we want to get our students to embrace. And we find that it works. We find that students are eager to express themselves, to be heard. And this is how we do it in New Spiritual Foundation.